Did you know that 70% of immunity is in your gut? There's specialist lymphatic tissue that's home to white blood cells that help to fight infections. And a healthy gut mucosal lining has a special antibody that will kick into action if it detects pathogens to neutralise them. Not forgetting, of course, the trillions of beneficial bacteria that is also going to be helping to keep the gut healthy and to prevent pathogens from taking a hold. You need to really keep your gut system healthy by having a really high fibre diet with plenty of diversity and colour, plenty of vegetables, nuts and seeds, berries, perhaps some brown rice. As much diversity, as much colour, because different colours, different plants, different fibre will feed different beneficial bacteria, which in turn produce compounds to feed other bacteria and help to keep that mucosal lining really healthy and strong.